after Union Ministers Nirmala Sitharaman and Giriraj Singh's visit to the Northeast, today it was the turn of Minister of State for Railway Rao Saheb Patil Danve's turn to visit Manipur. Apart from chairing a meeting at the state capital, the Union Minister also inspected a crucial 10-kilometer-long railway tunnel which will soon link Imphal with the rest of India. We have this report.
"75 years after India's independence, it seems the dream of connecting Manipur with India's extensive railway network will finally see the light of the day very soon. Part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's grand vision to connect all state capitals of the Northeast with railways by 2023, the ambitious project involves construction of the world's highest railway bridge near Nauni village, along with a strategic 10-kilometer railway tunnel at Sangaithal village near Imphal. The Nauni bridge, which is being constructed across River Ijai, is considered to be an engineering marvel, as the tallest pier's height will be of 141 meters, which will surpass the existing record of 139 meters of Mala Rijeka viaduct at Montenegro in Europe. Apart from this, Sangaithal Tunnel is also of great significance, as after completion it will be Northeast India's longest railway tunnel. And to oversee the progress of the project, Union Minister of State for Railways Rao Saheb Patil Danve today inspected the crucial Sangaithal Tunnel along with top officials of the Northeast Frontier Railway. The 10-kilometer-long railway tunnel will play a crucial role in connecting Imphal with the rest of India, with plans already being made to extend the line further up to the border town of Moreh, which is close to Myanmar and is a major trading hub. The line is expected to be a major boon for Manipur's economy, as it would then not be dependent on a lone highway which at one point of time was prone to violence and long burns. Speaking to the media after inspecting the tunnel, the Union Minister saluted the Prime Minister's vision and informed that work on 7 kilometers of the tunnel is almost complete, and work is going on to complete the remaining 3 kilometers soon. He also reiterated that the project will be completed within its stipulated deadline of 2023 and added that funds will never be a problem for such a crucial project.
मैं आज खास एक काम का प्रोग्रेस देखने के लिए आया था, और आप सभी जानते हैं कि मोदी जी का सपना है कि पूर्वोत्तर राज्य जो है वो देश से जुड़े जाए रेल मार्ग से, इसलिए उन्होंने काफ़ी बजट प्रोविज़न की है और काम ज़ोरों से चल रहा है। मैं जिस टनल में आज गया था वो लगभग 10 किलोमीटर का टनल है और केवल 3 किलोमीटर का काम उसमें से बाकी है। हम खुद अंदर जाकर आए और देखा है, तो काम कर रहे हैं। हमारे ऑफिसर भी थे, हमारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर भी थे, और कल जो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ये समय से पहले पूरा होने के लिए 2023 तक का इसका टारगेट है। 2023 तक करेंगे, लेकिन बीच में आने के कारण थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आया था, लेबर नहीं मिलना, ये वो थोड़े बहुत आए थे। कोई लैंड एक्विजिशन के प्रॉब्लम है, तो रात को मैंने यहाँ के सीएम साहब के साथ भी मीटिंग कराई, सब ऑफिसर थे। तो जो ऑफिसर जो राज्य सरकार की तरफ से है, उन सीएम साहब ने पूरा सहयोग देने की बात रात में कही, और उनके ऑफिसर भी आज हमारे साथ है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि समय में ये हम काम पूरा करेंगे 2023 तक। फंड का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, और फंड के कारण ये काम लेट भी नहीं होगा।
In another boost to Manipur's railway infrastructure, Union Minister Danve and State Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had yesterday virtually flagged off a passenger train service between Jiribam in Manipur to Silchar in Assam. It has to be mentioned that the train service in this route was suspended in July 2019 due to low passenger load amid the COVID-19 pandemic. With new trains, gigantic bridges and brand new railway stations, it seems Manipur is now finally on the fast track to progress. News Desk Report, Northeast Live.